All right, so as you know, I'm an entrepreneur. I've been doing this for a little while. I own a credit repair company, a business credit company, a business funding company, a real estate company. I got my hands on a few different things, but a lot of y'all reach out because y'all haven't made y'all first $100,000 in business yet, or you haven't started your first business yet. So look, I want to give you some tips. I'm gonna give you a few different things that you can do over the next few weeks that can help you to start growing your business. One of the things I want to say is this right here. This is business cards. These are not business credit cards. These are just business cards. Now, these are cards that have people's information on them that they're going to tell you exactly what they do. So I can go anytime I go to a gas station or a restaurant or a grocery store, anywhere that has business cards, I'm going to go to those cards and I'm going to check them out and see what they have on them. Like, who can I talk to that's going to be interested in something that I offer, or people go to them would be interested in what I have to offer. So for instance, I'm gonna give you a scenario. Instead of me going out to find 200 people that need credit repair, why not just connect with a car dealership or connect with car salespeople? I only got to talk to 5 car salesmen who can be able to refer 200 people to me over time, instead of me having to go out and market to 200 different people. The reason why I say that is because the people who have bad credit are going to them to get a vehicle. So instead of me going out and market to all of them, I can just build relationships with these car dealerships, and I have the car dealerships send me clients. So car dealerships send us people, banks will send us funding clients, because a lot of times the bank can't fund you. So you'll come to me where you have a few different things that you need to fix up. Could be your personal credit, could be your business credit profile, could be that you need to build some business credit. You know, it's a few different things. So instead of me going out and just marketing to find a million different people, I'm gonna just go and make the connections with them. So that's one thing that you can do. Make these connections, call these business cards, see who's on these cards that will do business with you. Now, for instance, I'm not gonna take up all your time, but I went to this event recently. I paid like about $4K to have a booth over there at the event. So I'm collecting people's business cards, and I fell short on this. I wasn't able to call them in time because I had too much going on. Like I said, I do a lot of stuff. So I had too much going on and I wasn't able to reach out to everybody in time. But still, from those cards, we probably made 4 times more than what we spent on the event, 4 or 5 times more so far. And I still haven't even called like half of the cards yet. So if I would have called them sooner, we probably would have made more than that a lot sooner. But being that I was just slowly getting it done, I wasn't able to capitalize on it fully. So once you get the card, do not sleep on it. Call these people the same day, the next day. Their card is there because they're looking to grow their business. Their card is there because they want people to give them a call. So do not hesitate. Call them as soon as you get the card. For me personally, like my real estate company, if I'm driving around and I see a house that I like, I don't have to wait, hours and hours and days to call them. I can actually go on my phone in my software, get whoever it is phone number and call them right there on the spot. Hey, I just passed your house up. It looked like it's empty. You looking to sell it? And that's all I got to do. Like, I'm not wasting no time. Time kills deals. Time is the one thing we cannot get back, so I don't have time to waste on none of that stuff. So look, I don't want you to waste no time either. Right now is the time for you to grind. 2024 is coming up, and if you ain't making the money that you want to make, it's time to try something different. Whatever you've been learning before, whoever you've been learning from, it ain't working. Try something different. And this is what I want you to do. This is your first thing that I'm going to give you, your first tip. Find these business cards, call the people on it, see how y'all can work together. They don't have to purchase your service. They might be able to collaborate with you and have other people who purchase your service as well. So call these cards. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the top.